In this video, we will show the best gym bags available to buy. At number 10. SFANE Duffle Gym Bag. It is the perfect duffel bag for hiking, family holiday, vacation, sports, a short trip, gym, work, beach, used as an overnight bag, a short journey bag, a weekender bag, gym bag, sports duffel bag. At number 9. Nivea Deflate Polyester Round Bag. It's collapsible and expandable bag while in utilities. The two-handle strap makes it easy to carry around. Two outer slip zip pocket make it more spacious. At number 8. Fast Track Polyester Travel Duffel. It is made from strong polyester material. This bag will solve all your package issues. It comes with multiple handles and straps to give you the freedom to carry it the way you like it. At number 7. Top Gator Gym Bag. The gym bag is made of tear and water-resistant Dobby polyester. Durable zippers and enhanced by strong stitching at major stress points provide long-lasting durability against daily activities. At number 6. Salute Polyester Duffel Bag. This product is made from polyester on the inside and outside and is finished in an attractive black color. Its high quality and durable material provide the same function as a large suitcase. At number 5. Fur Jaden Gym Bag. This stylish duffel bag from Fur Jaden has you covered on that last front. Featuring a spacious, well-sorted design, it allows you to store all your gym clothing, accessories, etc. At number 4. Core Gym Bag with Carry Handels. This lightweight gym bag will stylishly carry your workout clothes and other essentials from your home to gym sport. At number 3. AUXTER Polyester Large Black Gym Bag. AUXTER Gym Bag is the perfect companion for your daily workout or as a second carry-on during your weekend getaway. At number 2. Gear Polyester Gray Travel Duffel. 1 wide access main compartments with double zippers. 2 additional side pockets and 1 quick access pocket. Easily adjustable shoulder strap. Reinforced grab handle. At number 1. AUXTER Blackie Gym Bag. It is the perfect companion for your daily workout or as a second carry-on during your weekend getaway. It made from leather material for better comfort and durability.